Good day to you guys. I'm Victor Palacios, and today I'm going to attempt to make your life a little bit easier. A lot of jewelers like myself like using these collet punches to make bezel settings and also for prong settings. The problem is, once we try to position the collet so we can modify it, it's kind of hard and seems to be a task in it of itself. So today, I'm going to teach you a little trick of the trade, how to hold the collet in place while you're able to modify it without hurting your fingers. Let's get started. Okay, what you're going to need is pretty simple. You're going to need a flex shaft screw mandrel like this one. Screws in and out from there. And also a bead tool holder with a chuck. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so as you can see, I have 3 different mandrels already set up. I went ahead and got my grinder and went ahead and trimmed this one down so I could use it for extra small collets. I have my medium one. I grinded down that screw head so it can fit my medium-sized collets. And my large collets, I'm just going to leave it alone and not even mess with the screw head. So this is the way it works. Go ahead and grab your screw head, stick it in your mandrel. Now you're going to screw in here like that. Trying to do this in front of a camera can also be a task in it of itself. Seems to be going. Once I got it, I just pull it apart so it gets friction. There it is. Okay. Now I'm going to get my bead tool holder, stick it in the chuck, tighten it. Now I'm going to go back and tighten it a little bit more. Let's see here, where if I can find it. There it is. And tighten it. Now this is so important because you want to get into all those areas. And sometimes when you're trying to cut the prongs or the design of the prongs, you want to use this, and it's hard to hold your finger and use your saw blade. Now I'm not going to do that to this one because I'm going to make another video on how to make a 4-prong setting, and it will be on the next video. So that's pretty much it. Holds really nice and tight, and man, let me tell you, you can sand, you can file, you can use your Fordham tools with it. It's perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Have a good day.